What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at our shop. I have this truck pulled in because we're going to be working on this. We also are washing 24, which is this big truck outside. Rodrigo is getting that clean, taking advantage of the rainy day and using a little bit of Mother Nature plus the pressure washer to get that truck clean. But after we're done working on this, we are going to pull my truck in, load this in here. This is going to our Orange County yard. So tomorrow morning, me and Rodrigo are going to run there. We'll unload that. But the reason we are going to be able to go there is because in my last video, I told you that we were getting our Fisher plows, well, the two pumps rebuilt. We had them on one of the trucks, all set up, ready to go. The local guy in Haverstraw told us, hey, bring it to me after the new year. I'm a little busy, so that was about a week and a half ago. And we had one of our guys yesterday run him over there. And when he got there, the guy kind of screwed us over. He said, oh, I don't know if I can take it and get it rebuilt. I'm a little too busy, blah, blah, blah. I'll sell you new pumps. So obviously we don't want to buy new pumps. We want to get them rebuilt. So I called my buddy up at Hudson River Truck and Trailer and I said, hey, this is what's going on. What's the deal? Can you guys fix them for us? What's the turnaround? He said it'll be like a 2-day turnaround, maybe 3 days. So no brainer. Tomorrow, Rodrigo's gonna take that truck, meet me there. We'll drop that off. Hopefully they'll get it fixed for us. It's two pumps, so hopefully they'll get them fixed for us quick. And then we can hit our Orange County yard, drop that off and come back down here. But the reason this truck is in here is we ordered front mud flaps for this. So this is your passenger bracket. I have the driver's side bracket here. And I think, yep, I have my instructions or directions, whatever you want to call them. Nope, instructions, we'll call them. Installation instructions. So these mud flaps are from an international dealer out of Canada, Southland International. So they're the only ones that make front mud flaps for this truck. I'm sure if you have a Silverado like this, whether it's a 45, 55, 65, any of them, I'm sure they all do the same thing. But in the winter, if you use it off-road in the dirt a lot, you probably experience something similar. But this whole area gets coated with stuff. That's your battery box, obviously a step here, but this tire throws a ton of debris up, whether it's snow, salt, pretty much anything on the road, and it coats this whole area. So our goal is to hang mud flaps. These brackets go something like that, but as you can tell, the bracket only goes pretty much as wide as this piece is, a little bit wider. What we're gonna do after we get this mounted, we're gonna see what it looks like, but we're gonna buy aluminum flat stock and bolt it to these 3 holes. But this side we're gonna extend basically until it would hit the frame in there. And our goal is to cover the entire front of the battery box, so any debris that gets thrown up with this tire just gets knocked down. But I'm gonna set a time lapse up. I'll follow those instructions and hopefully get this mounted pretty easy.
Let's go.
All right, guys, so there you have it. One mud flap added on. It was pretty straightforward. You rivet it up in there, but as you can tell, one of them is missing because I accidentally bent it. I didn't realize that these bigger ones for the middle were a different size, and I tried slamming it into the rivet tool and it bent it and eventually snapped it. So I'm gonna have to go to Home Depot and get one more rivet for that one, but even without it, this is on there pretty sturdy. So you can tell what I was saying here about how the mud flaps and right at this bracket, pretty much they go right in front of it, and we would like them to go all the way back to the frame to cover the side of the battery box, but we'll have to try it out and see how it works. So I'll show you the other side real quick. Got both of them done. Right there. So I'm sure this is definitely going to help a lot. One other thing on this one, of course, one of them snapped lower, so I'm gonna have to put a grinder to that and just trim that down. But besides that, we are in pretty good shape. We're gonna pull this truck out, pull mine in. I think I have it parked right outside the door, so I'm gonna have to move it, but we'll pull this out, pull mine in, get that piece loaded up, and then we're gonna head upstate and pick up that other truck. All right guys, so we just got up here to read systems, and here's our truck, and we have a liquid tank on it now. So pretty nice setup. I believe they only did one side, right? Yeah, but that is a lot of liquid. I don't know what the exact gallon is on this, but as you can tell, it goes right into here. That's like the little pump for it, little motor, whatever you want to call it. Little pump, and come on, lock that up, and it comes right into here and sprays down right on your salt as it's spreading, just like all of our other setups do. So very, very clean, neat little setup. But we have these two pieces of stainless that my father asked for, so we are gonna probably put them on my truck, unless Rodrigo wants to strap them to the sander or something, or on there. I gotta talk to him real quick. He's checking out some of the stuff they got in their parking lot here. But I think that is gonna wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Either way, hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.